So this is the last Matsuri, the medicine Matsuri. Hey everybody, it's the Costco Samurai here. Today, we're trading in the Costco carts for Osaka's rich history at Shinno Matsuri, Japan's final festival of the year, from mystical tiger charms to ancient remedies. Let's dive into this vibrant celebration of health and tradition. And if you haven't done already, please like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. Here we go. As I make my way to the Shinno Matsuri, the energy of the festival starts to pull me in. The road leading to the shrine is alive, lined with festive food stalls and classic festival games, all designed to ramp up the excitement. The scent of sizzling yakitori and savory okonomiyaki dances through the air, blending with the sounds of laughter and chatter. People are filling the streets, their smiles and energy creating a contagious atmosphere of celebration. Today, November 22nd, marks the start of the Shinno Matsuri, continuing through tomorrow, the 23rd. This annual tradition at the Sukunahikona Shrine brings together history, health, and community. Working in biotech field just nearby, this festival holds a special place in my heart. I come here not only as someone deeply connected to the world of medicine, but also as a patient, praying for good health and resilience for me and my family and friends. It's a humbling moment, standing where history and modern science meet, united by a shared hope for well-being. As I step through the shrine's entrance, I'm surrounded by people, all here to pray for health and protection. The beauty of this sacred place is breathtaking. Lanterns line the path, their warm glow highlighting the names of pharmaceutical and biotech companies that sponsor the festival. The blend of these modern names with the centuries-old tradition of the shrine is striking. Above it all, the stunning copper roof gleams, a testament to the shrine's timeless elegance. The temple music drifts through the air, adding a sense of reverence to the lively atmosphere. This is more than a festival. It's a place of deep connection where tradition and hope come together. Here's where I return my old charms. You know, they only last a year. I know, just a year. Every year I come back. I let go of the old and replace it with the new. A little ritual of letting go and starting fresh, kind of like a yearly reset button. I'm here now, placing my old charms down, not just as some guy in biotech, but as someone who's grateful for the protection it's given. No grand speeches, just a simple thank you for the health and safety they provided. And as I do, I whisper a little prayer for more of the same. A year of continued health, more strength, more resilience. The kind of stuff I can't really put a price on. You can buy all the medicine in the world, but this is something else. So this is incredible. Dai Kichi, the most powerful fortune known as the Great Blessing. It's considered a very positive sign for health, luck, and success. If you know what this message actually means, feel free to comment in the section below. And there you have it. For today, from the vibrant food stalls to the sacred moments of prayer, the Shinno Matsuri reminds us of the deep connection between health, tradition, and community. I'm leaving here with a sense of gratitude, a Dai Kichi fortune in hand, and a renewed sense of hope for the year ahead. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep exploring. This is the Costco Samurai signing off. Bye, bee.